Yes! 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 Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, last jump, last jump, last jump! Whoa! Yeah! Be careful, be careful! Oh. I'll control it. Let's go. Oh, that's big one. Be careful, bro. Be careful. Yes. OG8.
First rainbow trout ever on fly.
Yeah.
On a fly.
Okay.
Yes, mate.
Oh yeah.
This guy's.
Oh yeah. I follow it. Oh, jump again. Yes. Oh, big one. Go. Be careful. Woohoo! Be careful. Yes. Yes. Oh, last. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
That thing is
Okay.
amazing.
Okay. Yeah. So that about does it for today. The man right here got the biggest catch of the biggest fish of the day. Yeah. Goes to Aaron.
That thing was absolutely huge.
I catch the monster twice. We're out.
We're gonna go check out the fish. We'll see you there. We just broke down.
Okay.
The car stopped working.
Okay, let's go.
It's all done now though.
Oh, yeah.
So that's what we did. We just got some Coca-Cola, Pepsi Cola. Yeah, cleaned off all the spark plugs, put them back in after getting somewhat of the oil out. We should be good to go.